guys, this is IILs here too, and welcome back to my channel. So, on my previous video, I was unboxing my birthday gift from my boyfriend. So, there are two items there that are mystery boxes. So, today's video will be about unboxing the mystery box from Namshi. So, the first one would be NYX Professional Makeup by Namshi. So, I hope nakita niyo siya. Maliit lang siya. So, guys, ayan. So, just again, brief information regarding this box. So, on Namshi's website, they have a mystery box gift set. So, you can find it on their gift set page. So, it's worth, I think, 99 dirhams. So, for 99 dirhams, you'll be able to get random NYX professional makeup items, full sizes items, and also yung numbers lang hindi ako ganun ka-sure kasi this is my first time. So let's see if worth it yung 99 dirhams for the NYX professional makeup na makukuha natin inside. So let's get it on. Buksan natin siya. Okay, ayan. Okay guys, so good, naka-bubble wrap naman siya. So this is it. Tingnan natin ilan lang makukuha natin. Are we that lucky enough to get good items from a mystery box? So, normally nakakita din ako ng mga mystery box unboxing sa YouTube. So this is my first time to try out one. Kasi nakita ko lang siya sa Namshi. Ito ang epekto ng work from home. So, guys, I got 4 pieces makeup items, full sizes from NYX. Okay, so let's just go on it one by one. So, the first 2 items are this. So, I hope nakita niyo siya. Ayan, sana. Okay, so these are NYX Lingerie Shimmer. Ang hirap i-pronounce, but it says Chatoyant. So, sana tama yung pronunciation ko. So, this is a lip item in the shade of Spirit. And the other one is again, NYX Lingerie Shimmer Chatoyant in the shade of Sable. So, sana tama din yung pronunciation ko, guys. Ayan siya. So, sana lang nakikita nyo yung pangalan ng shade. So, medyo shimmery yung lip. I'm not sure if these are lip gloss or talagang mattifying siya. Pero, sige. Dahil makulit ako, bubuksan ko siya at itatry ko ipakita sa inyo, guys. Ay, sorry. So, unboxing and trying out na pala tong video na to. So, later on, I'll check how much ba yung retail price ng each item just to check if it's gonna be worth it na bumili ka ng mystery box instead of buying it on the NYX store itself or maybe sa mga retail stores na merong NYX product. Okay. So, guys, lip gloss nga ata siya. So, let me do a swab. Okay. May chocolate siya. So, this is shade Spirit. So, let me just go there and show you. Ito yung kulay ng first swatch. Okay. Next item is Sable. Ang weird ng name, no? Sable. Ay, ang hirap niya buksan. Alam niyo yung the struggle is real. Okay. So, So, okay guys. So, ito yung next color. So, this is in the shade of Sable. So, this is the one in the Spirit shade. So, lip gloss nga siya guys na shimmery. So, hindi ako mapag lip gloss na shimmery, pero the colors are not that strong na problem ko when it comes to lip gloss. So, I think this is passable for me. So, the next item, guys, is again a lip product. So, this is NYX Sleep Tease Lip Lacquer. So, this is in the shade of Madame Tease. So, guys, sana nakikita nyo siya. Ayan siya. So, it's NYX Lip Tease and it's in the shade of Madame Tease. Okay. So, it's nice kasi at the very end of the item, at the top of the item, it's actually mirror type. So, if you're going to apply the product, pwede nyo siyang makita here. So, you don't need actually to find mirror agad-agad. Okay, let's try again swatch test for this. And, ooh! It's a bit... okay. So, this is not a lip gloss. This is actually a lip, more of a lipstick. And, may similar color siya with my lipsticks. It's Revlon. So, this is Madame Tease, guys. So, ito yung swatch niya. This one. So, sana nakita nyo. Ayan siya. Minty yung smell niya. Oh guys, just for you to know, this two, medyo chocolatey yung smell nila, while this one, minty. So guys, nakatatlong product na ako from Namshi, and those three are already all lip items. So eto na yung medyo nagpasaya sa akin for this mystery box. This is the NYX Professional Away We Glow palette. So there. So, ayan siya. Sana nakita nyo. So, it has 10 colors. And, ayan. So, let me just open it and show you ano yung colors niya dito. Ayan yung magpa-open, guys. Okay. So, may tape pala yung mismo lock niya. So, I'm just gonna show you yung clearer colors nitong palette. There, guys. So, ayan. I hope you can see it. It's really beautiful. So, there. So, guys, see, I got 4 full sizes items for this Namshi Mystery Box. A collaboration with NYX. So, what can I say? I'm satisfied kasi I got a full palette and a 3 lip product, which is I'm guessing actually, guys, that these 4 products is more than 99 dirhams. So, that's it for Namshi Mystery Box unboxing. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!